I don't think I can do it. If you guys tell me to, I will. I don't think I can convince myself to cut this body up. This truck is awesome. So I'm leaving it up to you. You guys tell me, leave it a long bed or make it a short bed. Make a comment below, long or short. I'll leave it up to you guys.
Oh, good morning. Odd Rod Garage here, and today we're gonna bake a cake because that's just what you do come Christmas time.
Anyway, I'm just joking.
Anywho, now that I got the camera working and you can hear me, today we're gonna reassemble Ben's front end and reinstall it in his frame. The frame's all been painted and sandblasted and all the fun. And also, we're gonna get to mating the engine and the 5-speed transmission together. Hopefully it all goes well.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, going down deep, saying, bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek. Mama taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sins. Down to the river, every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it runs the same. Father, hear us as we pray. Down to the river, down to the river, sing, bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, going down deep, singing, bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, washing me clean, kerosene creek. Oh, bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, going down deep, sing, bury me, carry me, far beneath, fire and water me, watching me.
Alrighty, well, on Ben's truck we are doing a conversion. There's a conversion kit from a company called FabBox, and they do a conversion adapter that you put an AR5 5-speed manual transmission out of a Chevy Colorado or a GMC Canyon into any vehicle that has an LS. So there's a whole bunch of different parts you have to get. Anyway, it ends up being a very reasonably priced 5-speed manual transmission swap. So this is like Christmas to us. We're going to open it up, and this is,
It's a black box, Pete.
oh, maybe it's an airplane. I got this. Is our clutch. So FabBox designed this entire system. It works with the bell housing off from an 4L60 automatic bell housing, and then they have all the conversion pieces to do it. So they sell an entire kit, every nut, bolt, every inch of everything you need. We will see how this goes, but based off from the reviews of things that I've seen. And so when you order the kit, they ask you you know, what you want as far as horsepower is concerned. So they give you different clutch pressure plates to hold up to what you're doing. So we are pretty excited to do this. We just did a 1983 Mazda B2000, and we put in a manual transmission in that, and it was sort of a pain in the butt. So we're anxious to see how this one will work out for us. Next present, and this happens to be a couple days before Christmas, so we should have probably put some Christmas wrapping on it. Merry Christmas, everybody, by the way. Well, they gave me the wrong kit only because I already had my bell housing already sourced, and they sold me the one that has it. So I mean, we're talking every little single piece.
Let's go over hydraulic clutch stuff.
Hydraulic lines, hydraulic clutch, everything comes. You know, throw out bearing, pilot bushing. Anyway, it's really cool. And I'll need to tell them that I don't need this, but they sent me also. This is the bell housing off from a 4L60, and I already have one of those. I don't need that. So we'll see if they give me some money back on that. Or maybe the next one I do, which we're already going to do another one, I'll just source it with that right there. So anyway, we will see how this all works out, but it looks like a really nice, fine piece of machinery.
All right, for this project, we're using Dirty Dingo engine plates. We have used their stuff in the past, and it works awesome. You should get on their site and check it out. They sell you everything. Anything and everything. So there's 2 engine plates there. That's a factory now.
Yeah, these are factory small block Chevy mounts, and they get adapts right to this plate here, the Dirty Dingo. It tells you passenger and driver. By the way, just so everyone knows, FabBox nor Dirty Dingo, they're not paying us anything for this. I just think their product is really good.
It works good every time.
And so I'm giving them a little plug right there.
And when you get these kits, you get all the fun. You get really nice Allen head bolts. It's all case hardened stuff. It works very well. And they offer different configurations. It's sky's the limit on that stuff there.
That was our Christmas package opening session. And now we're going to start putting this girl together. I think it turned out really nice. Gonna look really, really good when it's all said and done. We're gonna get the frame leveled so that we can go through and get all of our angles on the engine. Want about 3 to 4 degrees on the engine so that we have oil stain at the back and we don't have a surge. Anyway, turned out nice. Thanks for watching.